Welcome to our tutorial on how to disable all notifications on X, Twitter, for your Android device. Follow these simple steps to regain control over your notifications and enjoy a more peaceful browsing experience. First, open your Android phone's settings by navigating to the Settings app on your home screen or in your app drawer. Next, scroll down and find the section labeled Apps. This is where you can view and manage all the apps installed on your device. Locate and select X, Twitter, from the list of apps. Once you have selected X, you will be taken to the app's settings page. Now, tap on the Notifications option. This will bring up a list of notification settings specific to the X app. Finally, to disable all notifications from X, simply toggle off the switch labeled Show Notifications. This will turn off all notifications from the X app, including push notifications, sound alerts, and notifications in the status bar. And that's it. You have successfully disabled all notifications from X on your Android device. Enjoy a distraction-free browsing experience and take control of your notifications. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for helpful tips and tricks on your Android device.